What is going on, guys? T Blake here. It's been a little bit of a break in between videos, but I'm getting slammed with Yeezy information. People just asking what to do for the drop tomorrow, what stores are getting it, so on and so forth. And Thursdays being my day off, or sort of day off, I'm getting some videos filmed, and I wanted to make sure you guys are equipped for the Pirate Black Yeezy Boost release. All this information is down below in the description if you're looking for what retailers will have them online, and we'll go back to that in a second. But the biggest question is, what are the differences? So I believe GT Fan is doing a video with comparing them. I got a pair in hand the other day and tweeted about them, and these sneakers are still black. The color code is different. That's this BB5350. I thought the suede pictured here was a little bit higher quality, and the upper was just a little bit thicker. So these are things where it looks cosmetically exactly the same, right down to the red on the back tab area, but it feels different. The other thing too was it seemed like there's a little bit more material in the area around the tongue here. Now, these do still fit about a half size big, so I'm 11 and a half. I do get a size 11. You'll also notice there's no blue liner. And I can't help to, again, roast Easy Talk Worldwide for essentially having no, good information at all and just reposting information they get on blogs. So until they want to, stop taking shots at people, they'll just keep being wrong. So unfortunately for them, they are, for all intents and purposes, going to look exactly like the ones here. You can see the sites that have online raffles. So if you head over quickly, you can still grab some of the online raffles. And I've also posted online retailers. So 8 a.m. we've got Foot Locker Champs, Foot Action, East Bay PacSun. No finish line yet. And again, I really recommend following me or Kicks Under Costs on Twitter because I'm going to be up till about 2 a.m. this morning just finalizing everything. All of these links are working, in fact, though. So you can go to Foot Locker right now. My internet is so quick. And see that the Yeezy Boost is, in fact, loaded here. So in 16 hours, 8 a.m., you guys will have a shot to cop. So hopefully you guys are able to get the sneakers that you wanted. And hopefully this video helped. Again, the information to this page and the links to follow on Twitter are down below in the description. I wish you guys the best of luck. Adidas did make more of these, and Adidas.com is dropping at a random time. In my opinion, based on the accounts that got them and how many pairs they got, I think Adidas.com is going to be your best shot because they must have the most amount of pairs. If it is in fact true that they doubled production on this model, which I have heard is true from some reliable sources. But again, without having that hard number, I don't want to talk too much on it. But I do think Adidas.com is your best spot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and good luck. T Blake signing out. Peace, guys.